Hi guys, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to my channel. I'm Neha. I hope you are doing great. Um, Today I was guided to do a reading in English for all my English viewers and viewers from overseas. Yesterday I did a reading for the collective, and it is all about the energy we are presently in, and it was all about devil energy, and I was sensing something, and I was guided to do this reading in English as well today for all my English viewers and Hindi viewers as well. So if you are watching this video right now, then it's meant for you. There may be some sort of message in this reading for you, so you can continue watching this, and I hope you like it. Let's begin with the reading for all you lovely people. And if you like my reading and if you like my channel, then you can subscribe and share and comment, because I just love reading your comments. So thank you so much. Let's begin with the reading for all lovely people. Now, the first card I'm seeing here is the Ace of Cups. So for all the people currently watching this video, maybe you are doing exceptionally well in your life. You are manifesting your goals, you are manifesting your desires, you are doing exceptionally good in terms of your career and finance, and you are really working hard. And specifically I'm getting a feminine energy, the divine feminine energy here, because yesterday it was all about the devil energy. And as we all know, devil is all about they are alluring, they are charming, and they make person fall for them very easily. They are very great with their words, right? So today, yes, I was guided to do this reading right away for all you people. Now, you are working hard on something. You are really creating something for you in your life. You are working for some specific position in your life with the King of Wands. Yes, you want something, you want to achieve something, and you are determined for that, right? And you are really working hard on your finances, and there are a lot of new offers coming your way, right? And specifically I'm getting Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces here. Pisces energy, Cancer, Scorpio. So you are really working hard, and maybe you are waiting for like some sort of new offers as well. And there is messages related to your finances coming. You are doing exceptionally well, and you are ready to move ahead in life. But there is something, maybe somebody from your past wants to come towards you. They want to take a leap of faith towards you, and they are like fascinated to you. They are feeling attracted to you. You are like a manifester, right? You are manifesting your goals, your desires, and you have left the past behind, and you are doing extremely well. Although you were very betrayed, and although you were broken hearted in the past, but now you are moving ahead in life, right? You are like working on your money. You are working on your money, and you are focused on that, and you are like building firm foundation for you. And with the Wheel of Fortune, yes, things are changing really fast for you, and it's so good to see like beautiful new beginnings for you, and you are moving ahead. You are specifically I'm getting again and again a divine feminine energy, right? With the Strength card, you have like infinite possibilities for you. And although there is something in your mind, maybe you are missing somebody. You want somebody in your life. You are missing somebody, right? And you are dreaming about them. You want them to be part of your life. You have somebody in your mind, although you have moved on from the past. But what I am sensing here is like somebody from your past wants to come in. And believe me, I don't think they have like changed. I don't think this person is changed, because yesterday I was feeling with a Devil card. As we all know, Devil is all about like good looks, and they are like very, they are quite good in their words, right? They make person fall for them, and they have invisible horns, right? So it's all about that energy. So you just focus on the good work you are doing. Just keep on moving forward in your life. You are like getting a lot of new opportunities in your life, or maybe new love, maybe new offer. Yes, you are getting new offers, and you should like move ahead in life, and you are really you have worked hard to get this position, right? And maybe for few of you, yes, you are at that position, maybe a very good position you have earned, and you are doing really exceptionally well in your life, and you are getting new offers in hand with the page of pentacles. I see a lot of new offers coming your way, right? You are moving ahead, right? And if you are waiting for a job, if you are waiting for something, maybe a job proposal, maybe, or maybe any sort of proposal, yes, it's coming towards you, right? So you know, you need to keep focus on the things like you are building for yourself, right? If you are manifesting wealth, then keep that focus on that thing, right? Betrayal, you have come out of, I think you have come out of this betrayal, you have come out of this 10 of swords energy, right? And you are like being you are like ready to receive the gifts, right? You are like building like financial growth for you. You are moving ahead, you are like earning good, you are in that place, right? So, and if it's not yet, then it's coming soon for you, right? So yes, you are definitely doing good with the wheel of fortune. Lot of good things in your life are coming, change, and it's for better, it's for your better, right? So you need to keep strength, you need to focus. We have a strength card, lot of yellow energy I'm getting, sun energy, and sun is all about like from my point of view, it's related to your solar plexus chakra. So you are building a social circle for you, you are building growth, you are like growth, stability for you, right? So you are building a new world for you, and you are connecting to people, you are socializing, you are like expanding your social circle, because you were betrayed in the past. You whatever you did in the past, maybe somebody betrayed you, and you use that betrayal for your better, for your growth, right? So it's all up to you. It's you can see we have an infinity symbol. Again, I'm getting a feminine, beautiful feminine energy. A lot of my viewers might be like a single mom, or a single like, or a divorced. I'm getting like a feminine energy. We are not talking about gender specific, we are talking about divine feminine and a divine masculine. As we all know, it's all inside us, one like yin and yang, it's all about, we are talking here, right? So yes, you are strong, you are you are heading towards your victory, your success, and good news, good opportunities, new opportunities are coming your way, and you have to be receptive for that. Then we have it's like laziness, it's like 9 of cups, right? So sky is the limit. Just see in the card, you don't have to stop right away, right? You have like, as I told you, sky is the limit, you have to move forward, you can't rest, you can't you can't think that it's enough, and I like, you can't enjoy, right? So you need to focus, you have like, sky is the limit for you. Just keep on moving forward what you are doing, right? Be receptive, because you are getting everything you want in your life, you are achieving, right? And maybe as I told you, maybe somebody from the past wants to come, but you have new opportunities in your life ahead. It's all up to you what you want in your life. Do you still want to fall for that sweet words, right? Do you still want to fall for the devil? I will give you a link in the description box, and you can just go and check out the music or the song I'll share with you, and you can look at the picture, right? So it's all about the choices you make, it's all about what you think, it's all about how far you want to go, it's all about the focus, what you want now in your life. Are you still in that energy? Are you still going to believe? Are you still going backward? No, rivers never flow backwards, right? So keep moving forward in your life. Then we have Six of Cups. Yes, definitely, there is maybe energy of a soulmate. You want somebody, you are missing somebody, you are like, you want to move forward in life, right? And for that you have to completely let go of the past baggage. Believe me, you have to let go of that past baggage in order to move forward, right? You have to decide what is good for you and what is not, right? So just keep moving forward in life, and you are like building like an empire for you. There's like endless possibilities, as I already told. Sky is the limit, right? So there's like endless possibilities for you, and you are achieving. You need to like realize that it's not about that you have not done it before. You can achieve anything in your life, whatever you want to. For example, it's my first English vlog, right? So I'm trying my best, right? People may find it like awkward, or people may find it a little bit off the fence, but yes, still I'm trying, right? So you should always focus on the good things. You should always move forward, right? So yes, great opportunities are coming your way, and you are moving forward. Good things are coming for you. Change is coming for you, and this change is going to be really like better for you, best for you, I mean to say, right? And with the Nine of Pentacles, yes, change. We have 10, 10. See, we have 9. 9 is all like almost on the verge of change, and then we have 10 and 10, and 10 is all about completion, right? We have 10, 10. So maybe few of you, yeah, maybe हो सकता है you might be seeing numbers, right? Synchronicities, you might be watching this, right? So just keep on keep the focus on the good work, and keep the focus on building your growth, and just keep on moving forward, and be receptive, right? Be receptive. It's all about how you perceive things. It's all about how you receive things, right? So be receptive, right? And then you need to let go of some old baggage. You need to let go of some old stuff. There is still some lingering energy I'm sensing. Maybe you are thinking, maybe you are still in that energy, right? So you need to let go of that. And yes, new love is also coming for you, right? And you might hear from the person, but in order to move again in your love life and career, you need to focus on yourself, and towards the goal you are building, right? So that's all we have for all the collective. I hope you like the reading, and if you like, do give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next reading, and we'll see. And yeah, take care, bye.